AI.
The artificial intelligence.
General AI.
We marveled at our own magnificence as we gave birth to AI.
AI. I mean artificial intelligence.
It will result in dislocation, in lost jobs.
And robots is going to replace a lot of jobs.
Is AI going to put everybody out of work? Jobs will get more engaging.
Machine is going to be smarter.
I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
The artificial intelligence.
AI.
AI.
Well, the biggest issue I see with so-called AI experts is that they think they know more than they do. And they think they're smarter than they actually are. In general, we are all much smarter than we think we are, but much less smart, dumber than we think we are, by a lot. If humanity collectively decides that creating digital superintelligence is the right move, then we should do so very, very carefully.
We humans like to do things, and we like to be productive, and we will figure out things to do, and we will use these tools to make ourselves more powerful, to build incredibly scary autonomous weapons. You do not need general AI. Because of artificial intelligence and its ability to automate certain tasks that in the past were impossible to automate, not only will we have a much wealthier civilization, but that the quality of work will go up very significantly, and that a higher fraction of people will have callings and careers relative to today.
Machine is going to be smarter.
I'm really quite close to, I'm very close to the cutting edge in AI, and it scares the hell out of me.
Have to be a big treaty like the Geneva Convention or something that would help regulate these weapons, because they're actually, they have a lot of issues. So that one I think is genuinely scary.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
I am concerned about certain directions that AI could take that would be not good for the future.
We are so unimaginative about what future jobs are going to look like and what they're going to be.
And robots is going to replace a lot of jobs.
AI is taking away a lot of routine jobs. It will also bring immense challenges in terms of potential job replacements. Whereas in the industrial age, it created more jobs because craftsman jobs were being decomposed into jobs in the assembly line, so more jobs were created. But AI completely replaces the individual jobs in the assembly line with robots. And it's not just in factories, but truckers, drivers, and even jobs like telesales, customer service, and hematologists as well as radiologists over the next 15 years are going to be gradually replaced by artificial intelligence.
Those same experts who think AI is not progressing at the rate that I'm saying, I think you will find that their predictions for things like Go and other AI advancements have their batting average is quite weak. It's not good.
Creative jobs are the ones that are protected because AI can optimize but not create.
with self-driving. I think probably by end of next year, self-driving will encompass essentially all modes of driving and be at least 100 to 200% safer than a person by the end of next year.
Only those people who are creative, innovative, then they can survive.
So as AI takes away the routine jobs, I like to think we can, we should, and we must create jobs of compassion. You might ask how many of those there are, but I would ask you, do you not think that we're going to need a lot of social workers to help us make this transition? Do you not think we need a lot of compassionate caregivers to give more medical care to more people? Do you not think we're going to need 10 times more teachers to help our children find their way to survive and thrive in this brave new world? And with all the newfound wealth, should we not also make labors of love into careers and let elderly accompaniment or homeschooling become careers also? AI is serendipity. It is here to liberate us from routine jobs, and it is here to remind us what it is that makes us human. So let us choose to embrace AI and to love one another.